So, I mean, lots of different ways I would think from an automation standpoint.
Yeah.
It could be anything you can dream up, And I guess let me define that for just a second. The way I define robotic process automation, if you're used to Excel and you have the ability to create a macro, okay, and you say, okay, well, have it go to this cell and then copy this cell to that cell and do whatever, right? A little macro. That robotic process automation in these different programs, and particularly Microsoft Power Automate, is the same process, but you can do that across any application. So you can work with a legacy system, you can work with the newest system, you can work with
Another
whatever,
question.
and tie it all together.
How can a cabinet company use this?
How can a cabinet company use
I'm looking around, looking at industries in the room. And I'm asking based off of the
Sure. I mean, you can use process for cabinet maker. If you're stocking products, you can do all kinds of inventory control stuff.
Okay.
To be able to track that inventory as an example. So you control that stock management as an example, and automate process ordering. When our quantities drop below a certain level, then automatically send an email.
Yeah.
And so on.